Telolet Om from Indonesian country. The word telolet is derived from the Indonesian state and onomatopoeic or artificial sound of the hooter, and this word is also a palindrome. Om means uncle. Telolet Om, also known as Telolet Om, is the phenomenon in which children and adolescents ask the bus driver to honk the bus that has been modified into a rhythm. This phenomenon has entered the realm of the internet and social media that later became famous when teenagers disturbed social media accounts of public figures such as Donald Trump, Marshmallow, Beats, Dylan Francis, Cash, as well as other public figures by dividing the phenomenon, Telolet Om, by the comments field directly. This phenomenon is then treated with a variety of musical arrangements made by the disc jockey, then published through their social media accounts and is played in a mass concert. Or, one music concert that is Life in Color Miami announced that Telolet Om is the theme of their secrets.
Telolet Om.
Jakarta, the phenomenon of OMOM Telolet and Bus Telolet trending topic world. The origin and meaning of the word Telolet become a byword Indonesian citizens, and even the world. Initially, renowned musicians such as DJ Snake, DJ Z, even DJ Martin Garrix spoke it via Twitter by writing sentences such phenomenal. DJ Snake, DJ Z, and DJ Martin Garrix Telolet even questioned the meaning of the post and QUOT. What is OMOM Telolet and QUOT? So, from where the Telolet word? Chairman of the community Bismania Arif Setiowan has the answer. Businessman who heard the distinctive sound representing bus horn at first appeared not in Indonesia but the Middle East. The sound was used to warn off the actually originally in the streets. The Middle East to News or Camel. In Arabic if I am not mistaken. Then, to my knowledge there used to be a businessman. Hear it installed in the bus.
Pak Abon nih, Pak Abon.
Voix électronique, voix idénique de sens. voix, 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 et net, voix, voix, ou de nous, de sas.